Imagine working day and night, only to watch your dreams slip away, while money feels like it's always just out of reach. You're not lazy, you're trapped in a system that doesn't want you to break free. You're working hard, pushing through every day, but no matter what, it feels like money is always slipping through your fingers. Bills stack up, dreams get delayed, and it's hard to see a way out. It's frustrating. You're not lazy. You're stuck in a system that's designed to keep you working, not winning. The problem isn't you. It's the system. The mindset that says you need money before you can take action. But that's the trap. You're told to wait until you have enough capital, but success doesn't work that way. The truth is, it's not about waiting for the right amount of money. It's about making the first move. Walt Disney once said, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." Zig Ziglar also reminded us, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The moment you decide to take action, that's when everything changes. The system might have trapped you, but you're not powerless. You can break free starting today. If you want to break free, you have to understand this. Wealth begins with value, not money. You don't need to wait for the perfect amount of capital. Instead, look for opportunities that don't require ownership. You can borrow, leverage, and grow before you ever own a thing. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Simple 3-point framework. Point 1. Skill before startup. Before you build anything, use what you already know. Whether it's talking, writing, or helping others monetize your existing skills. You can start coaching, tutoring, writing content, or offering virtual assistants. Think about it. You have something valuable right now. It's just waiting to be turned into profit. Point 2. Borrow platforms, don't build. Forget about spending months creating a website or paying for ads. Instead, rent attention. Use the platforms that already have traffic. Social media, WhatsApp, freelance marketplaces. These platforms give you an audience right now. No need to wait. Borrow their attention and build your brand. If you're not putting out relevant content in relevant places, you don't exist. Point 3. Start ugly, move fast. Perfection is the enemy of progress. It's time to start ugly. The first steps don't need to be perfect, just make them fast. Action is what leads to momentum, not planning or procrastination. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. The faster you move, the faster you build. You've learned the system, you've shifted your mindset, and you're ready to make the leap. But here's where most people fail. The truth is, most give up just before momentum kicks in. In the beginning, your results will be small, your efforts barely noticeable. And that's when people quit. It's easy to think it's not working, but that's the moment you need to push through. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier, it's not the big breakthrough that gets you there, it's the consistent grind. Here's the good news, sticking with it, even when results are small, will lead to bigger rewards. Your skills, once honed, will translate into income. And that income is what leads to freedom. You don't need millions of dollars in the bank to get started, just commitment. The secret of success is constancy of purpose. Benjamin Disraeli. But here's the big question. What's holding you back? Is it the skills, the platform, or just the fear of taking that first step? Comment side hustle below if you want part 2, where I'll reveal one exact hustle you can start this week. No capital required.